Question number 3, exercise 2.3. Check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. Okay, so we have to check whether this 7 plus 3x, this is a factor of the polynomial 3x cube plus 7x or not. I just give an example. You look at this example. Suppose we have to see whether 2 is a factor of 6 or not. So what do? We just divide. 2 is a factor of 6 or not, we divide 6 by 2, so 2 3s are 6 and the remainder is 0. Now since we got the remainder 0, 2 is a factor of 6, or we say 6 is a multiple of 2. Is it okay? Now supposing if I take now 7, check whether 7 is a factor of 2 or not. So you divide 7 by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. So since the remainder is non-zero, this time remainder is not equal to 0, 7 is not a multiple of 2, or we say 2 is not a factor of 7. So what we do is just find the remainder and we check whether this remainder is 0 or not. If the remainder is 0, it's a factor. If the remainder is not 0, it is not a factor. Now in this question we have to check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. So what we'll do, we'll directly find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, it's a factor. If the remainder is not 0, it is not a factor. Now how to find the remainder? To find the remainder, simply you will use the remainder theorem. We will use the remainder theorem to get the remainder, and if it is 0, it is a factor. Okay, so what we'll do, the polynomial, the dividend 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. So this is the dividend, this is the bigger one. So what we'll do, this polynomial will bigger one, or the dividend will consider as p of x. It's a similar question. Okay, so let p of x equal to bigger polynomial 3x cube plus 7x. Now what we'll do, we'll find the value of x from this divisor. Okay, also let, procedure is same. Okay, also let 7 plus 3x equal to 0. Is it okay? So you simplify this. 3x equal to minus 7. 7 is on the other side, minus 7. So x equal to minus 7 by 3. X equal to minus 7 by 3. Now what I said, we will be finding the remainder directly. Okay. Therefore by the remainder theorem, we have remainder equal to p of a. Remainder is p of a by remainder theorem, and a is the value of x, so which is now minus 7 by 3. Okay, so we'll find the remainder from here. Okay, now this is equal to p of a. P of x is 3x cube plus 7x. Now p of a is p of minus 7 by 3. So this x to be replaced by minus 7 by 3. So 3 into x to be replaced by minus 7 by 3. So minus 7 by 3 whole cube plus 7 into x. X is now minus 7 by 3. Okay, now we'll simplify this and we'll check whether we get 0 for this remainder or not. Okay, now this is equal to 3 into minus 7 cube, minus whole cube is minus, then 7 cube is 343, 3 cube is 27, plus, now plus minus minus, 7 7s are 49 by 3. By 3 you can cancel this number, 3 9s are. Okay, so I am doing on this side, this is equal to this calculation, this is equal to, now here we have left with minus 343 divided by 9 minus 49 by 3. Now take LCM. LCM is 9, so this will be same. Minus 343 minus 3 3s are 9, so 3 into 49 will be 9 3s are 27, 3 4s are 12, 147. Okay, so this is equal to 9 here, 9 here. Now it is minus minus plus, so it will be minus, so 3 plus 7 0, 8 9, 3 plus 1 4, minus 490 by 9 we got. Okay, we got minus 490 by 9, which is not 0. Is it equal to 0? So this is not a non-zero number, it's a negative integer, not 0. since the remainder is not 0, what I said, if the remainder is 0, 2 is a factor of 6. If the, or we say 6 is a multiple of 2. So you remember, I'll give some homework after this question. So if we get remainder 0, we say the dividend 6 is a multiple of the divisor 2, or we say the divisor 2 is a factor of 6. Okay, now since we did not get the remainder 0, it is a non-zero number, minus 490 by 9, therefore remainder is not 0, therefore 7 plus 36 is not a factor of 36 cube plus 7x. Therefore 7 plus 36 is, you write, is not a factor of this polynomial 3x cube plus 7x. This is how you need to complete the answer. Okay.